If you are struggling with addiction, it can be pornography, it can be even lust, it can be even smoking, even drinking, even unfaithfulness. You want to come out of it. I can give you a recipe, brethren. Your private prayer time with God will finish it all. It will blow it away. It cannot stand a fire that is emanating, that is exploding from your solitary place, which is called the secret place. It is this prayer time that brings them protection around us and our children. Many want to pray on Sunday when they come to church. It cannot happen that way. Don't be a Sunday Christian. If you are not serious, we'll create a microwave generation. They're just only requesting prayer from a man on the pulpit. And yet you are supposed to be effective. Jesus said, men ought always to pray and not to faint. Men, you are supposed to be praying at all times.